Wait, before you pay anyone to design your logo, watch this. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional, high quality business logo for free using AI. No graphic designer, no paid tools, no experience is needed. Just your phone and a simple step by step method that gives you clean, modern logos in less than 3 minutes. Stay with me because once you learn this, you'll never waste your money on logo designs again. Okay, so to create your professional business logo without paying a dime, without paying anybody to do it for you, you can actually do it by yourself. Is to go to Pinterest or Google and type in ideas. You need ideas to create your professional logo. Okay, so I'm going to type in professional. You can actually type in 3D 3D business logos. Okay, 3D business logo. Okay, so it's going to bring out a whole lot of business logo that you can actually choose from. Okay, look at this beautiful business logos that is being displayed here. Anyone, either you're in beauty, fashion, um, apparels, name it, okay? You can actually personalize this information here, like 3D logo designs for fashion designers, okay? For fashion designers, depending on what you are doing, okay? Look at it. Just take a look at this. Either you're an online vendor, whatever business you're into, you don't have to pay any dime to graphic designers to make your logo for you. So just personalize your information. 3D business logo designs for any business that you're into, then you download any of the designs that you want to create, something similar to that. Once you get that particular design, you tap on it and download it to your phone. Then we are going to move over to the second step. Okay, so to create your professional business logo without having to pay anybody to create it for you, you can actually do it yourself using free AI tools. And then that is exactly what I'm going to show you today. So all you have to do is to head over to ChatGTP, and when you get to this interface, click on this plus sign. So we are going to be using one of the free logo designs that we got from Pinterest. So when you head over to Pinterest, you're going to come across so many beautiful and professional designs. So choose according to your business type and what you want to create. Okay. So I'm going to choose one of these business logos now. Like I want to create something similar to it. Okay. So let me go for this, and we are going to click on done to upload this on ChatGTP. So I'm going to put in a prompt now. I will type in a prompt so that ChatGTP can give me the prompt to use and create mine. Okay. So I will say I want to get a prompt, just simple English, like don't want to confuse AI. Okay. I want to get a prompt to create a similar business logo business logo using Gemini, using Google Gemini rather, or you can as well put Gemini. Chat will definitely understand this. Okay. All right. I will now insert my business name. My business name So I'm using my own business name in this case. My business name is Wears by JK. Okay. Wears by JK. So let us give this a go. All right, so ChatGTP is going to give us a prompt that we can actually personalize. You can change the color, you can put in more info. Like ChatGTP is going to give you the prompt to use a free AI tool to generate your business logo. Okay, so ChatGTP has given us a prompt. Now, what we have to do now is to copy this prompt. We are going to copy the prompts now and go and personalize it according to our own business information. So I'm going to click on copy now and head over to my notes. Okay, so this is my notes in my phone. So the prompt says create a luxurious modern business logo for a brand. Wears by JK. The logo should have a premium gold 3D metallic style similar to high-end beauty or fashion brand. Okay, this place that it says premium gold 3D, you can actually change the color to suit your business colors. Okay, if it's gold that is stated here, if you want it red, if you want it blue, anyhow you want it, you can actually change the colors. Okay, use both capital letters for the name Wears by JK and it's stylish cursive. You can actually go through it and edit it according to your style. Okay, add a slogan space, the name that says elevate your style in a thick gold bar. Okay, so just you can customize this according to your business style. And if you want to add your business details, your phone number, just customize it according to what you want. Okay, so this is just a tutorial, so I'm not going to be doing much editing. I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, so stick with me. So we are going to copy this now and now head over to Gemini AI. If you don't have Gemini on your phone, this app right here that I'm highlighting, you can actually download it from Google Play Store. So we are going to click on this now and send. And within few seconds, let's just give this and look at the beauty that is going to create for us. All right, can you see this? Can you see this? This is absolutely amazing. Wears by JK. Elevate your style. So isn't this beautiful? This is what we spend money. We spend so much paying graphic designers to create for us. So this AI, you can actually click on here to download it straight to your phone gallery, and you can crop out this AI logo showing here. You can crop it out, just take it to any free tool or crop it on your phone and you have your business logo to upload it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your status, anywhere. Okay, so this is exactly how you can save money creating your logos by yourself. And these are just some samples of the ones I've done. I copy the prompts, I paste it, and just follow the method for whichever kind of logo you want to do. Follow the method I did in this video, and it's going to be giving you professional logos for free, absolutely free. And you can use other AI generate image generator. You can use other image generator like Leonardo AI, Meta AI, Pixverse for your image generation. Okay, it's not only Google Gemini. So thank you so much for watching this video this far. Subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips like this. And thank you. Do all to like, comment, and share this video to your friends and family to save them money. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you and bye for now.